Today we are on a video job. We are in Villa Varignana, which is close to Bologna, in the center of Italy basically. The client today is Yolene. They are launching a new catalog of the dresses, so we are here to take some photos and I'm gonna film a behind the scenes. We're gonna film in POV with a newly released Gopro Hero 10, so you can actually see what I do, what gear I use and what settings I'm gonna share right here. Stay tuned, I'll see you after the intro. Look at this place.
You gotta understand that we get one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, look back at this.
It's the morning. We're starting with some shots of the models. So we got 4 models today, guys. And I'm gonna use the DJI Ronin S, which is my gimbal with the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. I'm recording in 4K in 60 frames per second with no filter for now because the weather is not great, as you can see. So it's quite cloudy and I can manage to film without filter and defilters. Let's go inside, see what we can do there. Switching to 70-200 here. So I'm actually going to get some lights because we're gonna set up a location with lights. Oh, that's my GoPro setup, by the way. Chest mount. So I would say I'm gonna take the lights out. These are continuous lights. We've got 2 Godox light, VL 150 and ML 60. So 150 watts and 60 watts as well. Let's set it up. So the guys are actually moving the stuff, furnitures. We're gonna set up a couple of lights. Okay, we're using 2 soft boxes.
Qui viene meglio, un po' più alto, col puffo. A rifare?
Switch to the 16-35 again on the gimbal. This is the lighter lens I have, so that's why I'm using it on the gimbal. That's what fits the best. Okay, switch to 70-200 again. We got these nice shots through the frame, iron frame here. Some bouquet work.
Bravo, come la vedi?
Bella, ma sì. 100 euro a clip e vai. Okay, we're gonna take a couple of photos of Alessandra over there. Yes. With the Blackmagic. It's not a photo camera, but still we can. Guarda, vieni qui, va, che lì sei contro luce. So the light is there. We're gonna take some photos here. In terms of drone, we're using the DJI Mavic Air 2. If you've been following me on my channel, you've seen this drone before. So let's just launch it. We're gonna take some establishing shot of this amazing location, the villa, and we're gonna follow the models as well if we can. So let's go. We need to be careful because there's a couple of helicopters flying around. I actually have a filter here. It's an ND filter, so go and check the review for this filter. Even with the drone, I'm using 4K 60 frames per second. And by the way, I'm recording through the original audio of the GoPro, so everything comes out natively. So what I'm gonna do with Georgia now is to get a side shot. It's a tracking shot from the side here in the swimming pool. This is the shot. A me piace il riflesso qua, però come facciamo? Vedi il mio riflesso in acqua da lì? No, bene. Però lo vedo da qua. Guarda, ti prendo in acqua praticamente. Right, we need to shoot a couple of lines set by the models here. We're going to use this texture as background. Natural light coming from the side. The VL150 as a fill light. I'm using this ceramic microphone Soundbird T3L. Review, go and check it out. I always double check you have the right input, so I've got two microphones XLR, which goes here, mini XLR, and the mini jack as well, just as a second option. Always double check your, exactly, that was wrong, so I need to set up a XLR right there. XLR mic, and select the phantom power. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
大家好，欢迎来到 Yolene 的婚纱世界。在这里，您可以找到手工缝制的婚纱。
Super quick vlog, guys, today. I'm sorry I didn't talk too much. It's quite hard when you're actually working, but I hope you got something out of it. So hit the subscribe button. More videos coming soon. Also a complete review of the Gopro Hero 10. Can't wait to see you soon. Thanks for watching.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sunset's on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm Sunday, you love it, come on, give me something. I know that you want it, boy. You love me right. If you love me right, if you love me right, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Let's go.